Coaster Crew fans, today we are at Great Adventure with another construction update for Total Mayhem. Since the last time we were here, there was still some structure up. It's all gone, it's all leveled now. Actually, there is one piece still left. That little wall. That's the only thing that's still standing of the original 70s structure. That little wall there. It is amazing how much you can see the lake now. Walking through this area, it's going to look really nice when the coaster starts going up. Alright, hold on, I'll get you another angle. Here's a different angle. And for reference, this is where the structure was that had the seal show. The name of it I can't think of off the top of my head. And now we'll head on over to where the bleachers were, the grandstand, where they did the fireworks and the ski show. Alright, here we are at the fountain. They're putting up a tree there for Holiday in the Park. Just wanted to give you an idea of what's going to look like when you walk into the park and you head right back to Total Mayhem. So this is what you'll see. Of course, you'll see the huge coaster going vertical. Alright, and now we'll go over to where the grandstand used to be. Alright guys, this is the last angle for today. There's Yum Yum Cafe, grandstand, gone, history, and the beautiful lake. Alright, that wraps up this update from Great Adventure. Be sure to like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you on the midway. Thanks for watching, guys.